Jelen Rivera. Can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jeline Arbolonio Rivera. I'm 30 years old. I am married and I have 3 kids. The firstborn is 10 years old, the secondborn is 7 years old, and the thirdborn is 6 years old.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 4 siblings,
And what is your order in the family, ma'am?
third in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
Yes, Mom. I worked for 2 years in Dubai.
Can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper in Dubai?
My duties is cleaning, ironing, taking care of baby, and laundry.
How old is the baby, ma'am?
The baby, I have 3 baby, and the eldest is 14, the second is 10, and the third one is 5 years old.
Is that a finished contract, ma'am?
Yes, Mom.
How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am good person, trustworthy, friendly.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, Mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, Mom.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
To give a better future of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
Yes, Mom.
Can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will react nicely and I will talk to them calmly.
Alright, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Dear my future employer, I promise to you I am a good worker, trustworthy, and honest, and I am willing to learn.
Alright, do you have any additional, ma'am?
No, Mom.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am.